Mini USA Today announced the launch of Mini Icon Drops, a campaign developed with creative agency Goodby Silverstein and Partners, GS&P, that introduces 8 new special edition models through a series of unique, timed releases, all inspired by sneaker culture. Rather than unveiling the full lineup at once, each model receives its own drop date, its own reveal, and its own moment, exclusive, timed, and designed to be collected. Mini has been creating special editions since the 1960s, long before limited drops became part of culture. Consumers have come to expect that spirit of individuality and self-expression from the brand. With Mini Icon Drops, the brand channels that heritage through a contemporary lens, treating each edition the way a coveted sneaker release commands attention, with scarcity, anticipation, and cultural intent. For this campaign, we leaned into our iconic roots in a contemporary way, inspired by sneaker drops in a way that's unique to Mini and the industry, said Kate Alini, Head of Marketing, Product and Strategy, Mini USA. Customization has always been central to our audience, and this approach allows us to connect with a new generation of drivers who value self-expression in all facets of their lives. A campaign built around restraint. Mini USA's creative agency partner, GS&P, translated the brand's conviction into a campaign built around restraint. Each model gets its own drop date, its own reveal, its own moment. The launch film breaks from category conventions entirely. No winding coastal roads, no hero shots. In fact, no cars at all. Instead, each edition is revealed through Mini's unmistakable silhouette, built from the textures, materials, and design details that define each model. Mini's design language is so distinctive that we could hint at each model using these gorgeous textures and materials in motion, while never showing any sheet metal, and let the brand do all the talking, said Mason Douglas, Associate Creative Director, GS&P. That kind of confidence in a visual identity is rare. It made for a very different kind of car film. Watch the launch film here by clicking the link in the description. What's next? The film is just the starting point. Over the coming months, each drop will be supported by sneaker-inspired releases, cultural moments, and unexpected activations, extending Mini's legacy of design with a contemporary twist. Additional drop dates and model details will be announced as the campaign unfolds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice, and reviews.